What's good, what's good? Alright, the latest attraction to open here in Dubai. It's an observatory tower on the Palm. It's like 52 stories high, and it, by the looks of it on Instagram, it looks like it gives you an amazing view of the whole Palm, like all the fronds, which are like the branches, and you can see down to Atlantis. So me and my boy Jin are going. We got a booking for 6, which is basically when the sun will kind of be setting. So yeah man, let's go check it out.